One of the items you tested in this case is a knife blade, correct?
Yes, sir.
I've placed on the witness stand Exhibit 92. Do you recognize Exhibit 92?
I did not examine Exhibit 92. I only tested a swab that was collected from it.
Okay, that's fine. And when you tested that swab, what were the results?
A mixture of DNA consistent with originating from 2 individuals was detected on the swab taken from the knife blade. The major contributor to this DNA mixture is consistent with originating from Jessica Goebel. The minor contributor to this DNA mixture is consistent with originating from John Heminger.
Before we go on, what is meant by major contributor?
The major contributor is the person who contributes more DNA to a mixture than anyone else. And based on our validation, they would contribute at least 4 times as much DNA as anyone else to the mixture.
And what is meant by minor contributor?
The minor contributor is the person who contributes a lesser amount of DNA to a mixture.
With respect to the knife blade, which, as I recall, your conclusion was 2 contributors, the major being Jessica Goebel and the minor being John Heminger. To what statistical degree are you able to say that the the DNA profile of the major contributor was Jessica Goebel?
Objection, lack of foundation.
Objections overruled. You can answer.
The DNA profile of the major contributor, which was consistent with originating from Jessica Goebel, would not be expected to occur more than once among unrelated individuals in the world population.
With respect to the minor contributor, John Heminger, what was your statistical analysis?
The minor contributor was consistent with originating from John Heminger. The probability of selecting an unrelated individual at random from the general population having a DNA profile that would match that minor contributor profile is approximately 1 in 560,000.